Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today we're tackling a request. We're always happy to take requests, and today is no different. We're putting together a vegan tart cherry cake for Byron Chandler. Let's see what we're going to need. This cake is being made in 3 parts. The first is the topping, and that's just a tart cherry pie filling. For that, we'll need a 14.5-ounce can of tart cherries in their filling, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a tablespoon of lime juice, a teaspoon of almond extract, and a pinch of salt. This is just going in a saucepan on the stove top to simmer and thicken. This is over medium-low heat. If you'd like this topping to be really red, we can always add in a drop or 2 of red food coloring. Okay, this is done. For the next step, we need to boil together our non-dairy margarine, sugar, vanilla, cold coffee, dried fruit, and spices. These are boiling for about 5 minutes. Then that mixture needs to come to room temperature. After that, we can assemble our cake. I'm just chopping this fruit. I have this on over medium heat. I'm going to let the margarine melt completely before I add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, let's I guess keep going. I have moved this to the clean burner so that we could clean up the sugar before the ants showed up. We're just going to let this come to a boil. It's going to boil for 5 minutes and then we're going to turn it off and let it come to room temperature. Okay, the 5 minutes is up. For the rest of this cake, we just need 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. This just gets hand mixed together. I have my 9 by 13 inch cake pan. I'm just spraying this with a little bit of cooking spray. Then it's getting lined with parchment paper. And then this is getting sprayed with cooking spray. We can just mix this cake together. And then this is going in our pre-treated pan. And we just smooth this in the bottom of the pan. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. This is going in for 20 minutes. I'm going to top this with some vegan whipped cream. And our tart cherry topping. It's time to give our cake a taste. Now it tastes like a spiced fruitcake. It's delicious. Get a little bit of everything here. The dog is drinking. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.